आज की इस वीडियो में हम आपके साथ पास्ट पेपर से लिए गए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs डिस्कस करेंगे। अगर आप किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं या किसी पेपर या इंटरव्यू की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये क्वेश्चन आपके लिए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हैं। अगर आप किसी पेपर या इंटरव्यू की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो आप ये क्वेश्चन ज़रूर पढ़ें ताकि आपका पेपर और इंटरव्यू कवर हो सके। अगर आप किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो आप हमारा ये फुल कोर्स ले सकते हैं, जिसमें हमने तमाम 2020 से लेकर 2026 तक जितने भी पेपर हो चुके हैं वो तमाम पास्ट पेपर इसमें मौजूद हैं। और जितने भी टॉपिक होते हैं किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम को पास करने के लिए वो तमाम टॉपिक इसमें शामिल कर दिए गए हैं। अगर आप इस फुल कोर्स को हमसे लेना चाहते हैं तो आप दिए गए इस व्हाट्सअप नंबर पर हमसे रब्ता करें, हम आपको PDF में प्रोवाइड कर देंगे। तो जिन दोस्तों ने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया वो चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि आने वाली हर वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको सबसे पहले मिल सके। वीडियो को लाइक और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें अगर वो किसी भी जॉब टेस्ट की तैयारी कर रहे हैं। तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं।
What is the ranking of Pakistan in Global Gender Gap Report 2025? Option A, 148 out of 148. Option B, 146 out of 148. Option C, 147 out of 148. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is 147 out of 148.
Next question.
Who scored the most runs in the 2026 ICC Men's T20 World Cup? Option A, Babar Azam. Option B, Sahibzada Farhan. Option C, Jasprit Bumrah. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is Sahibzada Farhan.
Next question.
Which two countries served as mediators in the Islamabad MOU process between the US and Iran in 2026? Option A, Pakistan and Qatar. Option B, Pakistan and Egypt. Option C, Pakistan and Saudi Arabia. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is Pakistan and Qatar.
Next question.
Which Iranian official held de-escalation related meetings with Pakistan's senior leadership in July 2026? Option A, Iskandar Momini. Option B, Said Abbas Arakchi. Option C, Masood Pezeshkian. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is Iskandar Momini.
Next question.
Who among the following mediated the June 2026 Islamabad Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) between the US and Iran? Option A, Pakistan and Iraq. Option B, Pakistan and Qatar. Option C, Pakistan and Turkey. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is Pakistan and Qatar.
Next question.
Iskandar Momeni is the Interior Minister of which country who is on official visit to Pakistan in 2026? Option A, Turkey. Option B, Afghanistan. Option C, Iran. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is Iran.
Next question.
Name the Iranian Interior Minister who made an official visit to Pakistan in July 2026? Option A, Said Abbas Arakchi. Option B, Iskandar Momini. Option C, Masood Pezeshkian. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is Iskandar Momini.
Next question.
The Islamabad Memorandum of Understanding. MOU. Signed between the US and Iran on which date? Option A. June 27, 2026. Option B. June 17, 2026. Option C. June 7, 2026. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is June 27, 2026.
Next question.
Which country topped the Global Terrorism Index 2026 as the nation most impacted by terrorism for the first time? Option A. Syria. Option B. Pakistan. Option C. Afghanistan. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Pakistan.
Next question.
Who is the current Interior Minister of Pakistan? Option A. Sheikh Rashid Ahmed. Option B. Mohsin Naqvi. Option C. Dr. Gohar Ejaz. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Mohsin Naqvi.
Next question.
Who was the first woman to be appointed as permanent representative of Pakistan to the United Nations? Option A. Hina Rabbani Kar. Option B. Maliha Lodi. Option C. Termina Janjua. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Maliha Lodi.
Next question.
Pakistan has released Rs. 100 coin to celebrate 10 years of which project? Option A. Mainline 1 project. Option B. Orange Line Metro Train. Option C. Karachi Circular Railway. Option D. China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. CPEC. The correct answer is China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, CPEC.
Next question.
Who is the current Chief of Air Staff? Marshal. Option A. Mujahid Anwar Khan. Option B. Zahir Ahmad Baba. Option C. Amanullah Ahsan. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is Zahir Ahmad Baba.
Next question.
Who is the current Chief Minister of Balochistan? Option A. Mir Abdul Qudus Bizenjo. Option B. Ali Mardan Domki. Option C. Sarfraz Bugti. Option D. Jam Kamal Khan. The correct answer is Sarfraz Bugti.
Next question.
Which medal did Arshad Nadeem win in the men's javelin throw at the Paris Olympics 2024? Option A. Bronze. Option B. Silver. Option C. Gold. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is gold.
Next question.
Which team won Pakistan Super League? PSL 2017. Option A. Karachi Kings. Option B. Quetta Gladiators. Option C. Lahore Calendars. Option D. Peshawar Zalmi. The correct answer is Peshawar Zalmi.
Next question.
Who is the current Chief Minister of Sindh? Option A. Qaim Ali Shah. Option B. Jam Mir Kamal Khan. Option C. Syed Murad Ali Shah. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Syed Murad Ali Shah.
Next question.
Who among the following brokered Islamabad Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) between the US and Iran in June 2026? Option A. Afghanistan. Option B. Israel. Option C. Pakistan. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Pakistan.
Next question.
Which city hosted the 2026 National Conference on Prison Reforms? Option A. Karachi. Option B. Lahore. Option C. Islamabad. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Islamabad.
Next question.
Which among the following hosted the 2026 National Conference on Prison Reforms? Option A. Ministry of Law. Option B. Ministry of Interior. Option C. Supreme Court of Pakistan. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Supreme Court of Pakistan.
Next question.
Which among the following presided over the 2026 National Conference on Prison Reforms? Option A. Qazi Faiz Issa. Option B. Umaraita Bandial. Option C. Yahya Afridi. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Yahya Afridi.
Next question.
All chief ministers of Sindh, Balochistan and KP signed which of the following in July 2026? Option A. Islamabad Declaration on Prison Reforms. Option B. Islamabad Declaration on Judicial Reforms. Option C. Islamabad Declaration on Political Reforms. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Islamabad Declaration on Prison Reforms.
Next question.
What is the ranking of Pakistan in Women, Peace and Security Index 2025-26? Option A. 166 out of 181. Option B. 162 out of 181. Option C. 169 out of 181. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is 169 out of 181.
Next question.
Who is the current CEO of Pakistan International Airlines? PIA. Option A. Khurram Mushtaq. Option B. Tuwald Jebramariam. Option C. Sikandar Raja Sultan. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Khurram Mushtaq.
Next question.
COVID-19 was declared pandemic by WHO on blank. Option A. March 10th, 2021. Option B. March 11th, 2020. Option C. March 12th, 2021. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is March 11th, 2020.
Next question.
Which is the largest export partner of Pakistan? Option A. Japan. Option B. Iran. Option C, America. Option D, Nepal. The correct answer is America.
Next question.
Who is the current chairman of NADRA? Option A, Asad Rehman Gilani. Option B, Lt. General Munir Afsar. Option C, Brig. R. Khalid Latif. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is Lieutenant General Munir Afsar.
Next question.
Which death anniversary of Abdul Sattar Eddy was observed on the 8th of July 2026? Option A, 9th. Option B, 10th. Option C, 11th. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is 10th.
Next question.
Who is the current Advocate General Islamabad Capital Territory? Option A, Niazullah Niazi. Option B, Jahangir Jadoon. Option C, Naveed Hayat Malik. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is Niazullah Niazi.
Next question.
Who is the current Chief Minister, CM, of Gilgit-Baltistan? GB. Option A, Khalid Khurshid Khan. Option B, Yar Muhammad. Option C, Amjad Hussain Azhar. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is none of these.
Next question.
In June 2026, Pakistan launched strikes inside in which country? Option A, India. Option B, Iran. Option C, Afghanistan. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is Afghanistan.
Next question.
Who is the current Surveyor General of Pakistan? Option A, Major General Asim Salim. Option B, Major General Kamal Asfar. Option C, Major General Imran Zafar. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is Major General Imran Zafar.
Next question.
Who is the current Test captain of Pakistan men's cricket team? Option A, Shan Masood. Option B, Babar Azam. Option C, Shaheen Afridi. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is Shan Masood.
Next question.
Which martyrdom anniversary of Sher Khan Shaheed Nishan-e-Haider was observed on the 4th of July 2026? Option A, 27th. Option B, 28th. Option C, 29th. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is 27th.
Next question.
On which date Pahalgam incident took place, leading suspension of Indus Water Treaty between India and Pakistan? Option A, April 20th, 2025. Option B, April 17th, 2025. Option C, April 22nd, 2025. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is April 22nd, 2025.
Next question.
Term and tenure of Senate membership are blank years in Pakistan. Option A, 4 years. Option B, 5 years. Option C, 6 years. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is 6 years.
Next question.
Which Pakistani official attended the oath-taking ceremony of Bangladesh's Prime Minister Tariq Rahman in 2026? Option A, Ishaq Dar. Option B, Ahsan Iqbal. Option C, Mohsin Naqvi. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is Ishaq Dar.
Next question.
Pakistan's Arshad Nadeem won gold medal in Olympics 2024 in javelin throw by achieving throw of how much meters? Option A, 90.97 meters. Option B, 92.97 meters. Option C, 91.97 meters. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is 92.97 meters.
Next question.
Which terrorist group attacked Karachi Rangers camp on the 27th of June 2026? Option A, Lashkar-e-Jangvi. Option B, Jaish-e-Mohammed. Option C, Jamaat-ul-Ahrar. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is Jamaat-ul-Ahrar.
Next question.
Who is the current Federal Minister of Petroleum Division? Option A, Ali Pervez Malik. Option B, Musaddiq Masood Malik. Option C, Abdul Razak Dawood. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is Musaddiq Masood Malik.
आई होप आप दोस्तों को वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। तो जिन दोस्तों ने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया वो चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि आने वाली हर वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको सबसे पहले मिल सके। वीडियो को लाइक और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें अगर वो किसी भी जॉब टेस्ट की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो। और अगर आपने शुरू से लेकर एंड तक वीडियो वॉच की है तो आपने अपना स्कोर ज़रूर कमेंट में मेंशन करना है कि आपके अंदाजे में कितने क्वेश्चन जो थे वो राइट थे और आपने कितने रॉन्ग किए हैं और कितने राइट किए हैं, ये आपने ज़रूर कमेंट में मेंशन करना था। अल्लाह हाफिज़।